Good morning, everybody. Hey, it's 10 o'clock. Man, I did some trading this morning earlier. I had to step away. Just got back in the office. And I went ahead and got short at 1240.8. So we're going to see what kind of rotation down we can get. We have divergences across the board, except on the higher time frames. I do like the sharp bulge here. If we can just get this 987 to come straight down, it'd be great. We did get some separation and away from the band from the 1597, and we are pretty good ways on the 4181 as well. So looking for some contraction here. Not sure exactly how much yet, but that's where we're at. And I'll come back when we start getting some movement. And the TF has just been on an absolute tear today. It's up 13 points. ES is up only 3. The ES has been the lagger of the day. So I'll come back and see where we're at here in a little bit. Okay, guys, we're getting the rotation down. I'm gonna take start hitting the bid and start taking some of this off. 10:15. It's been a great morning. But you guys, if you'll start watching the screen, I mean, this is the 144 chart. This is momentum. All these are showing momentum in higher time frames, of course. And if you look at the numbers, and you can kind of tell everything I base everything off is off Fibonacci numbers. That should be apparent. 41, 81, the 67, 65, and so forth. So that's pretty much what I base what I do off of. I've been doing this for a while. And if you'll start watching some of the entries of where the entries are with what is going on in each little of these boxes, start giving you an idea of kind of how I trade. Of course, you're always going to have some stupid ass comments on YouTube, but this is for my records. If y'all can learn something from it, great. If not, that's no skin off my back either. But I'd like to try to help somebody if I could. So that's why I try to continue to make a video each day, because that's the way I've learned. Is watching other people losing a lot of money at first. I've been doing this for about 8 years now. So I'm going to go ahead and start piecing more of this off. I'm not looking to stay in a lot this for much longer. So we'll see how this starting 144 had some separation, starting to pull into the rail. 610 still pushing down pretty hard. 377 is pushing down pretty hard. The 233 been pushing down. It's getting a little separation, but coming into the zero line. The 987 is pushing straight down. This could on the 1597 be a little bull flag though. To pull this in closer, the 4181 closer into the rail. Like I said, I'm not giving any of this back, so I'm I was really thinking it was coming down to the 50. It's still a very high probability that it does, but the way the market's been acting today, it's been on a tear. Um, it's been a you know it's been a great day. I can't complain. Not well, it won't do any good anyway. So I'll pause it, and I'll see what this thing decides to do. It might come back up into the 41.4, and then maybe get a push, maybe make a left shoulder, come down into the 50 or 61.8, try to make a head test on the right shoulder and come down. The market's the TF's up 13, the ES is up only 3. The TF has bucked the trend all day. So I'll hold these last 10, and I'll come back and let you give you an update. All right, guys. Looks like we might get stopped out on the last 10 contracts. Maybe not. 2 ticks away. $144 is getting some push. There's no reason we shouldn't get stopped out here. 233's got a nice push. Came on top of the rail. 337, it's still got enough time to get this before it even remotely gets to the top of the band. So shorter time frames will probably get us pushed up a little bit here. There is a little bit of size up in the 1242.5 area, all the way down to the 1242.3, it looks like. So I'll pause it. I thought they were going to get it that time. All right, guys, I'm back. It's 11 o'clock. I'm just going to leave these targets. One of them's going to get hit eventually. Up 33,000 for the day. Of course, if this goes up, I'll lose $2,000. I hope everybody had a great day. If anybody's got any questions or anything, send me a private message, and I'll try to get back to you. It's been a great month. I hope everybody was safe, and I will see you hopefully tomorrow.